Meaning of impassioned.
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 Impassioned. The word impassioned refers to a strong or intense feeling or emotion. It is often used to describe someone who is deeply passionate about a particular subject or issue, and who expresses this passion through their words or actions. An impassioned speech, for example, might be one that is delivered with great conviction and emotion, while an impassioned plea might be a heartfelt appeal made with great fervor. Overall, the term impassioned conveys a sense of strong, sincere feeling and a deep commitment to a cause or belief.